Hey everyone, we had an awesome day thrifting, so I'm going to show you our haul. We figure we have over $1,100 in gross sales right here in this pile that I'm going to show you. So I'll point out some bolos, including a brand that has a sell-through rate of 300%. So stay tuned to the end for that. You're going to want to know that brand if you don't already. This first item is a tailor-made driver shaft. One thing you want to look out for is this adjustable end. That just means that it's newer, and my husband's a golfer, I'm not, but he tells me this is a desirable feature in driver shafts, so keep an eye out for that. We paid $5 for this, and it should sell for around $50 plus shipping. Next up are these Gibson Guitar Hero guitars. We paid $10 for each of these, so $20 for the set, and they should go for right around $150. And these prices that I'm going to give include shipping, so keep that in mind. So that's $150 total. And the model number is a little bit hidden on these, so if you're not familiar with Guitar Hero guitars, sometimes it's in the battery compartment right there. So if you are looking for the model number, that's a good place to look if you don't see it anywhere. We paid $10 for these Salomon hiking boots, and the comps we are seeing were right around $70 plus shipping. And these things look like they're brand new, so we were definitely excited to come across these. We have sold Salomon hiking boots in the past, and they have moved super fast for us. So we just listed these today, so here's to hoping that these ones will move quickly as well for us. This is a Nikon Coolpix 20.1 megapixel point and shoot camera. These little point and shoot cameras do really well for us. We're always on the lookout for these. Comps for this specific camera was right around $90 plus shipping, and we picked this up at a thrift store for $5. This is an ADC Advantage fingertip pulse oximeter. We paid $1 for this, and it should sell for around $45 to $50. We paid $2 for this Nikon AC adapter charger, and it should sell for around $18. So not a huge high dollar one, but a great, filler in our store. We paid $2 for this NFL Xbox game Blitz, and it should sell for around $16 plus shipping. We love selling video games. I'm sure you're aware video games sell really quickly, at least they do for us, and they're super easy to photograph, so I love picking these up. This one was a Sega GT 2002. We paid $2 for it, and it should go for around $30 total. And then the last video game we picked up was the Star Wars Battlefront. Again, we paid $2, and it should go for right around that $15 mark total. A lot of times with video games, we just offer free shipping. We paid $2 for this Kavu sling bag, kind of a cool design. We have sold this in the past, and it sold really well for us. Should sell for around $30 total. This is a super nice North Face jacket or vest. It was, we paid $8 for this at the thrift store, and it should sell for around $40 total. Just kind of a nice basic fleece vest. And then we found some nice Lululemon men's pants. These were $12 each. So we did pay up for these a little bit. Comps had these right around $50 plus shipping, and we found 2 of these. So we'll probably lot them together and, probably bring in close to $100 for the lot, hopefully. Here's another pair in kind of a navy blue. Super nice. Lululemon's getting harder and harder to find at thrift stores, and usually the prices are marked up a little bit, so we're always happy when we do come across a decently priced Lululemon piece. So this was kind of a cool, unique piece. The brand itself is Red Cap, and that's not really the best brand to pick up, but what made it worth picking up is this graphic on the back, Rat Fink. Solds for this were around $38 plus shipping. This is an Ariat polo, just basic polo. Solds were around $18 plus shipping. We paid, $5 for this. We paid $5 for this long sleeve Gymshark men's shirt. It will sell for right around $20 total. Just a classic black long sleeve shirt, should do great. This is a Travis Matthew polo. It's actually new with tags. It does have a little bit of co-branding on the sleeve, Finance 500, so that was a bummer, but I think even with the co-branding, it should do just fine. Solds were right around that $40 mark total, so we were happy to pick it up. We paid $6 for it. So Waggle is a golf brand. We love picking up the Waggle golf polos. They remind me a little bit of Bad Birdie, if you're familiar with that golf brand. We paid $6 for this, I believe. Yeah, oh no, $5 for this. And it's actually in my husband's size, so he was thrilled to find this. I think he'll keep it for himself. But if we were to sell it, it should go for around $35. So definitely keep an eye out for this brand. Waggle, here's the tag so you know what to keep an eye out for. We also found this Waggle long sleeve shirt. This should sell for a little bit more, probably around the $75 range total. We paid $7 for this. And here it is again, Waggle. It's really nice material, nice quality, and definitely a popular brand. We actually found 4 Waggle pieces today. Here is another long sleeve. The material is super soft, kind of reminds me of Lululemon. And we paid $8 for this one. I think my husband might keep this one as well. It's also in his size. But if we were to sell these, again, these should probably go for around $60 to $70 total. And then last but not least is the brand that has the 300% sell-through rate. These move super quick and we love to find this. We don't find this brand very often, but it is the brand Rowback. Let me see if I can show you the tag. It has the little dog, and kind of like the Waggle shirts or Bad Birdie, they just have really cool designs. This is a fly fishing design, and then the other shirt has kind of just this greenery. So 2 Rowback shirts. We paid $5 for these, and they should sell anywhere between $60 to $80, and we expect them to move really quick with that high of a sell-through rate. And the crazy thing is, my husband was actually looking through the polo shirts, and somebody else had just been through the polo shirts, so he wasn't expecting to find much, but he came across both of these. So it's just a great reminder that brand awareness is very powerful in this industry, that if you can be aware of some of the lesser known brands, that you can still find good money. Even in a thrift store where there's tons of people scouring it, there's still good inventory to be found if you're aware of some of the lesser known brands or items that have good sell-through rates. Well, that is our haul. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully this helped you identify a couple new brands or items to keep an eye out for when you're out in the wild that will help you build up your inventory for your store. Please subscribe if you haven't already. It helps out our channel a ton. Let me know in the comments what your favorite thrift find of the week was. I always love hearing about your thrift adventures. Thanks for watching.